Who can answer what is extreme or severe weather? Okay, Mikay? Okay, extreme weather is like the tornado, the typhoon, the floods, and the thunderstorm. So when you said extreme weather, it is a severe weather that can cause damage and cause of life. So if the weather is extreme, does it put people at rest? If the weather is extreme, does it put people at rest? Yes. So does it have a major impact on the biosphere and the geosphere? Okay, yes. So why is it important for us to learn about extreme weather? Why is it important for us to know the extreme weather? Yes, Lexi? Okay, to be prepared. So now, we have the extreme weather here and the poor weather. So let's discuss first about what is extreme weather. Can you read?